What are we doing today?
We're at the pumpkin patch.
In 1837, an immigrant with the last name of Eckert started this farm. Well over 100 years ago, if you can do math. And we're here to visit it today. It's known for its pumpkin patch, it's known for its apple orchards, it's known for strawberries, it's known for everything. It's got a beautiful, beautiful farm. It's got a store, it's got a restaurant, everything's here. Let's go. How are you doing today?
Fantastic.
Awesome, awesome. All the way up top.
It's not raining yet?
Not yet. Fingers crossed.
I thought it was going to for a minute.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys are sitting on the top.
Say sit until we get out there and have a great time.
Thank you.
Ready?
Yeah.
We are in the apple orchard section. We're like in the Cameo and Evercrisp apple section. And the wagon brings you out here and drops you off, and then a wagon comes every like few minutes to pick you up, take you to the apples and the other section or the pumpkins or whatever. So it is $2.20 a person to ride the wagon out to the field. I don't know if it's always been that or if that's new because of COVID. They're doing like timed tickets or whatever, but we had to get timed tickets. You can buy them either in advance or at the gate. We bought them at the gate because it's a weekday and there's nobody here. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Everybody's walking, trying different apples.
Come taste some apples with us. You just walk down the orchards, which clearly there's plenty of. And that's the best thing about this is they say, you know, feel free to eat a few while you're out there. It's no big deal.
They only
So-
weigh the apples you bring back. They don't weigh how
Yeah.
many you eat.
So look in here and let's find a good apple. We have found the Golden Delicious and the Red Delicious. Currently, we're going to try the...
Red Delicious first.
Do you want to go first or do you want me?
I'll go first.
What do you think?
You're really good.
Is it juicy?
Yes.
Really juicy?
Mhm.
Here we go. Mmm.
I know.
Oh,
They're so good.
that's a good apple, huh?
Yeah, they're really good.
All right, coming at you from the Fuji side of things. Here we go. First up,
Fuji.
the Fuji apple. Give it a taste. Tell me what you think.
Mm.
Is it as good as the Red Delicious?
Mhm.
It is? I don't know. That Red Delicious was spot on. Love me some apple. What do we got here?
We are trying Everburn. Right?
I think it's Brayburn.
Yeah, Braver.
All right, go ahead and pick us one.
I think about Ever.
All right. Keep turning until it falls off, right?
We are trying Braver now.
Give it a shot and tell me what you think.
And it looks... I bet they named it Brayburn because it is mostly red.
Is it juicy?
Mhm.
Would you say, so we rated Fuji better than Red Delicious. Would you say that this is better than Red Delicious?
No.
No. Would you say it's better than Fuji?
No.
All right. There you have it. My turn.
It's not amazing. But at the same time, it's not horrible.
It's very tart at the end.
Yeah.
Yep. But delicious still. I mean, it's still an apple, right?
I bet I know why the Red Delicious was called the Red Delicious.
Why?
Because it's delicious.
Of course.
Pretty good?
Yeah, yes. Amazing.
Which one was your favorite, Zoe?
Fuji.
Everybody likes Fuji.
So we are at the third stop at the pumpkin patch. There are 2 apple orchards. We're at the pumpkin patch right now. It looks like it's gonna rain, but we are looking for a pumpkin.
So we are out in the pumpkin patch section at Eckert's, and it is the beginning of October, and it is pretty picked over. Stuff is pretty, ooh, it's windy. Stuff is pretty picked over. It's smashed or rotting, or the pumpkins out here are just not in the best of shape. The girls did find a couple, but not really anything too great. So we're gonna go back to the store and pick pumpkins from there and take home and carve.
what are you thinking?
I love homemade jelly. Anytime we go anywhere like this, I have to get some. I don't know. Dutch apple. Green pepper. Elderberry. I don't see strawberry. That's usually what I get. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Nope. Strawberry jalapeno. Not the same thing.
Surprise! Caramel apple and one of the peach.
Yes.
All right. This place is dangerous.
I know. One of the caramel and one of the peach.
Yes, ma'am. Do you guys make these on site?
We do. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, Jordan. Try your s'more cookie.
I can see marshmallow, and I can see big chunks of chocolate in it inside of a chocolate cookie.
It's pretty good.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Now I'm done.
Okay, Zoe, try your
So
M&M.
this is my M&M cookie. It has lots of M&Ms on it.
It's soft.
Mine was kind of tough. Ow. Mm. 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 So good.
So we're at Eckert's Farms. We had to get something apple, but I don't want anything huge. So we went with hand pies. We got a peach, and we got the one I'm looking forward to, the apple caramel hand pie. They're made on site.
They're pretty big.
Yes.
Go ahead.
All right, let's give the apple crumble hand pie a taste.
Pretty good? Yes, I can
Get outta
smell
here.
it.
Get out of here.
Okay, this one is peach. The dough is so flaky, like pastry flaky. So good. I didn't really get a lot of the peach though, so I'm gonna try it from the middle. Maybe.
It is so flaky.
Freaking half.
You can taste the butter.
The peach is really good.
All around. Absolutely fantastic. You can taste the caramel. It has that kind of like, I don't want to use the word coffee taste to it, but
Like coffee cake, kind of.
yeah, coffee cake, apple, caramel. Oh my god.
This one's really good too. The peach flavor is a lot stronger once you get past the crust. Let me try that one. It has like giant ribbons of caramel across it and brown sugar. Oh my gosh, this one smells way better than that peach one.
You know, whenever you prep like 2 bites around an edge, and then you wait until like this really juicy middle, and so you prepare it, and that's your next bite, and then your wife takes it from you and takes that bite.
I feel like you should know this already. Anyway, it's good. There's like big chunks of apple. Like, what are those called? Fried apples or whatever? That's the taste it has, is like a fried apple taste. Yep,
Delicious.
good stuff. Easy to eat too.
Yeah.
So we are here during the week. We just happened to have a random day during the week that we could come. It's totally empty, which is nice. You know, you don't have to fight the crowds, but also some of the stuff is closed, like the carnival rides and stuff in the kid area is closed, so there's not as much stuff for them to do. So like this little spinning pumpkin thing is closed. There's no pony rides. So while it's nice that we don't have to fight any crowds, it's also kind of sad for the kids because there's not as much to do. But we're gonna go see the petting zoo, and there's a little playground. So there's still some stuff, but just keep that in mind. It's either low crowds and no kids stuff, or kids stuff and a million people.